what's going on, everybody? My name is Tayshawn, and this is my YouTube channel. I wanted to basically document this and show you guys the process from beginning to end, what I'm doing here to grow my channel, to grow my podcast, my website, and all the things I'm just trying to do here. And I do this for fun. I had the idea to make all this from people telling me I should speak, I should do more things. And also I have like these little hidden gems of ideas that I've been doing for a long time. And I want to show that journey of my development in that process. So the first thing that we're going to do in this is I'm going to build a computer. You guys help me build this. Help me. Show me the way. Because I'm about to do it right now. And hopefully not ruin $1,000 computer. All right, let's do this. Got the YouTube video rolling. So I'm gonna try to follow instructions as we go here. Let's open this up. And by the way, this is not an unboxing video. This is not a freaking tutorial video. You're just watching another guy that has done this before, and I'll tell you a story as I walk through it, I guess. Ooh, I do want to mention this computer I'm using. This is basically the computer that I've been using to do my advertising. And then to my right, which would be your left here on the screen, is the other computer that I've been using to do all my other editing. So let's get this thing out the packaging. Got some SATA cables, some software for the drivers and utilities, manual. I wonder what this manual's got in here. Oh, it's got simple directions. Take this out. Ooh, look at that. Pretty sure we've all seen that one before. All right, now we gotta take the CPU out, which is here. I got the Ryzen 5 1600. Basically, when I got this computer, I was just like, have 5 different friends, some who play video games, some who have personally just built computers for fun, some who did videography, and it was just like, I didn't know what to do. Everybody had an opinion. Basically, they were having me build a gaming computer, and other guys were having me build the cheapest computer I could find for whatever reason that would work for me. And in total, it was just like, it didn't make any sense. It's just like, now you guys got me doing everything else but get what I need to get. So what I did was did my own research and pieced it together, but I found a build that I wanted, but only changed the graphics card and the RAM. Let's just be extra careful. Okay, so far it's in there safely. No problems whatsoever. In the right corner where it should be. Now we got to put on the case. So I'm going to move this forward, and now we're going to put the case up here, this nice little Cool Master 5, I think it's called. So you said take off the front panel. You said it was easy. Oh my gosh, it was easy. Okay, Mr. Man, what we got next? Let me chill out because I feel like I'm somebody right now. Let me just put this down.
A few moments later.
The computer is finished. The monitor is here. Now it's time to finish the job with downloading the software. And let's boot this thing up and see what we got. So we're gonna walk over here real quick. We're setting this up. It's taking me so long because I got this little 32-bit computer, and you know, I'm upgrading 64 and this computer's slow. And let's fix this brightness here. But with this computer, it helped me discover who I was when I first moved here to Texas, and I knew nobody and I had nothing. I started a blog and a few websites. just trying to increase awareness for paintball and my journey through it, and interviewing the pros that I knew that could like help me in gaining their knowledge and information that I needed, but also sharing it to the world, to the people that needed it, who also wanted to level up and didn't have the confidence to talk to these guys. So I went and did the hard work for them. And so with that passion driving me all the way here, you know, I got my credit card, spent all I could, and I got this computer. And amongst other few things, got my car fixed. And I was living in the office space before, you know, I'm where I'm at right now. And I just wanted to blog. I wanted to vlog. I held back on this. I sold like 2 cameras at this point when I started going up in paintball, but now I'm back doing my creative thing because I'm not playing paintball. So I'm keeping this for short, never selling it. I'm going all in on it. So once I upgraded from this, right, we went to this. Isn't she gorgeous? Yes, I know. I built that. Thank you, God. Looks like with this file, I guess the flash drive isn't at least 8 gigs. This sucks. Okay, so here's the deal. I tried to download it and it wanted to go to the C drive on my computer, which doesn't have 8 gigs of storage instead of this right here. So what we're gonna do now is go to the personal computer, that all-in-one computer that my mom has, and we're gonna go over there, download it, and get this thing rolling. All right, let's go. Get up in here, because I'm about to yank this off here, put my computer here for a day, and then go get my desk at like Walmart or wherever, I don't know. Get an actual desk. Another photo of myself on here. I like me. Definitely a little anxious, a little nervous. Whew. I'm like, I gotta plug it in the right spot though. Really, I just need to turn it on. All right, it's powering up. I'm looking at it for the first time. Let's see how it looks. I'm definitely glad I could do something that is going to help me take my creativity further, and it's going to be a lot more fun going into this. So now from there, I'm just going to download Adobe and get ready for work, and we're going to start making these videos. So I'm hyped. I'll see you guys on the next one. I can't wait to get started. We're on another one. This whole journey is just going to be fun.